back, beautiful people, in another video. Do you know we all want to communicate better? Whether it is pursuing your boss, negotiating with a client, or putting your point across at a family dinner. Effective communication is the secret sauce. Do you know this that high level communicators have a knack for making conversation seem effortless? It is not about what they are saying, but it is about how they are saying. And one more thing, high level communicators often use certain phrases that make their message compelling and clear. Let's dive in and discover some interesting and amazing phrases that high level communicators use in everyday conversation. Let's get started. I promise it is going to be enlightening and might even change the way you communicate forever. And trust me, it is easier than you think. Let me make sure I understand. So, do you know communicator as its core is all about understanding, and high level communicators always have mastered the art of ensuring clarity in conversation. And this phrase, let me make sure I understand, is a tool that they use to confirm they have got the message right. And it is not about what have been said, but it is all about demonstrating empathy and showing genuine interest in what other try to communicate. So at that point of time, we use these phrases while having a conversation with someone, that let me make sure I understand. So next time when you are in a conversation, so please try these phrases to keep the thing calmer and try to understand the other person's perspective, okay? And showing your interest what other person is saying to you. I wonder if this is our next phrase. Do you know sometime when we introducing an idea or suggestion can sometimes be very tricky, because especially when you are afraid about how it will be effective. And that's where we use these phrases. I wonder if it is very gentle but yet effective, where you put your point across without sounding too imposing. And these phrases also encourages collaboration or foster an open dialogue. That is the reason these phrases can be very favorite among the high level communicators. So next, how can I help you? Did you know that this is a phrase that speaks the volume about the speaker's willingness to contribute positively to a situation? And do you know, instead of imposing their ideas or solution, high-level communicators offer their assistance with these four simple words. How can I help you? The beauty of these phrases, how can I help you, is to shift the focus from the speaker to the listener and making them feel so valued and supported. And next time when you are in a conversation, try asking to someone, how can I help you? This might be not only improving your conversation, but you also have the chance of success. When I am truly sorry for. Do you know that apologizing sincerely when you make a mistake is one of the hardest yet most crucial aspect of effective communication? Know what is the quality of this phrase? It is a heartfelt and direct phrase. It acknowledges the error and expressing the regret without trying to justify and minimize the mistake of the person. Next time when you are at fault, don't shy away to asking, I am truly sorry for. It won't undo the mistake, but it will certainly pave the way for healing and reconciliation for the person whom you hurt. I am still learning about. Do you know high level communicators are not afraid when they don't know of all the answers. So these phrases I'm still learning about to show humility and willingness to grow. And these both key traits of an effective communicator. Next time when you find yourself outside your comfort zone, remember it is okay to admit you are still learning about. It is a sign of strength, not weakness. Thank you. This is our next phrase. And never underestimate the power of two sincere words. Thank you. Do you know high level communicators know the worth and value of these two words? Thank you. So always remember that gratitude not only show your appreciation but also your trust and respect. It acknowledge the effort of others and make them value. Don't let average words hold your back. Level up your English, then subscribe now. Always remember your voice is your power. So use these phrases to prove it.